So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to send crypto to people on crypto.com. So once crypto.com is opened up, I want you to go to where it says pay in the top right and press on that. Once you're here at the top, it'll say shops, gift cards, airtime, and send crypto. Go ahead and press on send crypto. So once you're here to say send crypto to friends, earn cash back, you can go ahead and import your contacts right here. Once your contacts are imported, you're going to be able to send cryptocurrency to people. And as mentioned, you could potentially get send crypto and up to 10% cash back. So once your friends complete a valid transaction, both of you get 25 USD as a little promotion that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to send crypto to other people or contacts here on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.